How to replace the filters on a Dyson DC40. Other ball upright models will be similar. Now the first one we're going to replace is the pre-motor cone filter that lives just inside the cyclone. Release the bin by pressing down the button on the handle, then lift the handle like so, and you will see where the filter lives. Just pull it out, and then we can get the new filter and just push that back in. Now if you pull the carry handle down until it clicks, and then you can refit the bin to your vacuum cleaner. The other filter is the post-motor HEPA filter, and that lives inside the shell on this side of the vacuum cleaner. If you undo this center cap just by hand, and then it takes some turning, and eventually the shell will lift off. And then you can just twist the old filter anti-clockwise and pull, and it'll lift off. Now we can fit the new filter, and one thing to note on this is it's got a little arrow just here. Now that corresponds to an arrow on the vacuum cleaner, and basically these should line up when it sits in position. So you just lower it like so, twist it to the right slightly, and it'll just lock into position with the arrows corresponding to each other. Then we can refit the shell onto the bolt that's inside, and you just twist this center part for quite a while until you hear it click. Now just make sure your ball is spinning fine, and that is the process of fitting your new filters complete. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel for more help videos. This next one is another maintenance tip for your Dyson DC40.